Hey everyone, and in this video lecture we will learn more about few tools. Those are used in 3D designing. So let's draw a 2D figure on one of the planes and extrude it little bit, and then I would like to draw one more plane on other plane. Here I will draw a different kind of polygon like a a rectangle, and then press enter. Now I would like to join this face with this face. So I will use a tool known as, sorry it is in solids, it is known as loft. Press the plane those you want to join, the first plane and the second plane. Now you can see that how it is connected. It is much useful in many designing things, so make sure using this tool. Okay, and now there are some special shapes in 3D, those can be used like torus. Select any of the plane and just stretch it. Sorry, it's okay, unable to see because of the here it is. And I would like to clear the whole thing. Now we should draw a coil. It is kind of spring. First select the circle, like at what width you need the spring, and extrude it. It's like this direction or its length, it's okay. Like this is the number of turns per second. Here it is. Here its width. These are number of turns per unit length. So these are different kind of tools that are available, rarely used but very useful. Thank you.